Hello, this is Lorenzo from EventSmart, and in this video I'll show you how you can set up an art class using EventSmart. If you're planning a creative class like a painting class or workshop, then this video is for you. So again, with this example, we are creating an art class. So what we can do is start by entering in a title. So let's go with something like Paint the Sunset Art Class. And now let me add in some details so we can take a look. So this painting class will take place on the evening of May 3rd from 6 p.m. till 8 p.m. and the registration fee for the painting class will be $35. Okay? So those are the details. Let's continue by setting up the date for this event. So we'll click on the daytime selector and move towards May and select the 3rd. And then we're going to use the slider and move that till 6 p.m. and then click on done. And then we're going to select the 3rd again and set that slider at 8 p.m. Okay? So then we can add in the details for this registration option. So we can replace the default. And let's sell this up until the day before. So this will actually be on a Friday. So let's close this out on the day before, which is a Thursday. And then for the price, we'll set that to $35. And we can clear the quantity. Now, since this is a class, we have limited amount of space. So let's say that we can host up to 25 guests. So what I've done is set a limit of 25. So those are the details for our art or painting class. Now I'll scroll up, click on Save Draft. And now let's go check out this art class on the front end. So I'll follow this link. And here are the registration options. So a registration fee for this painting class will be $35. So for example, if I wanted to register for 2 guests or 2 attendees, I would select 2 and then click on Register Now. So that is an overview of how you can set up your own art class using EventSmart. I hope you found this video helpful.